Well, this might be my first YouTube video. We'll see. I've been watching a lot of videos of other people finding and fixing up old trucks, and that's kind of what I do. So I thought, well, maybe I'll make one of these YouTube videos and see if anyone watches it. But anyhow, I just bought a 1973 Chevy K20 out of Montana. Been talking with the guy up there for a couple weeks, and we had it picked up yesterday morning, and I'm here in Joshua Tree, California, and it is a beautiful spring day in the desert. And well, supposedly this driver is supposed to be here any minute with his truck. I find it hard to believe because he just left from Montana yesterday morning, but we'll see. This guy been messaging me, telling me he's going to be here at 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock now, and I haven't heard from him. I've got my doubts. I don't think he's showing up today, but let's see. Maybe he's going to surprise me. We're going to watch. He'll be coming in from over there. Let's see. Well, what do you know? He is right on time. Dude, this guy hauled ass from Montana to get here this quick. Man, look at that. Look at that truck. Look at that blue. Hawaiian blue, I believe they call it. Woo-wee. That is pretty. Looking good. Straight. Straight, yeah. Well, I see he's just barely sitting on there. Straighten out. Yeah. Wait. This one goes straight. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Whew. Yeah, I see what you mean. You were just
Yeah.
barely had enough room on that trailer.
Yeah, but we can't. Otherwise, I can go up and.
Yeah, no, it's good, man.
And I'm so yours. Thank you so
Hello. All the way from Montana to the Mojave Desert, just over 24 hours. I don't know. This is looking pretty cool to me. Very cool. It's a little rough, or you could say it's got just the right amount of rough to give it some character. Montana farm truck all its life. And that looks like Chevy Hawaiian Blue. Cheyenne K20. Should clean up all right in here. Yeah, we'll clean all this up. Smells like some old boy's been smoking cigarettes in here not that long ago. But hey, I like it. I like it a lot. Well, we got something peeking out here. Oh, Pepper Pig. Hey Jackson, I think you left your daughter's Pepper Pig, but yeah, I'll put that in the mail for you maybe. Well, thank you very much. I'm stoked. Woo! Yeah. Let's clean this up a little bit and go play. Get some of the road dirt and bugs off of it. Horn works. Got a little door rattle, but other than that, we're feeling pretty good. Woo-wee. Not bad. Not bad at all. Got it in 4-wheel drive now. Having a little fun. Pretty good, except for this rattly door. Everything else seems good. Well, we're already having fun with this thing. I drove to town, put some gas in it, and I threw it in 4-wheel drive, and I'm out here crawling in these rocks already, little trails. Yeah, this thing's sweet. I love the color. I think it's the original paint, or maybe it's been repainted once, but it looks pretty original. And like I keep saying, I think it's that Hawaiian blue color. And the two-tone with the white is killer. I'm gonna throw white steel wheels on it tomorrow. I'm having fun with it right now though. That much I know. So I think it's gonna look killer with some white steelies on it and some dog dish hubcaps. It'll look great. But yeah, it's a beauty, especially in the sun like that. It really shines, right? We just came up that little trail up through the rocks. Normally don't do that except with my Jeep. But yeah, it was no problem. In 4 high, we didn't go 4 low yet. New Grub Chevrolet. We'll see where that is. Or was. And hey, don't forget, keep the country country. All right, don't forget.
He's on this side.
Awesome.
Hey Ryan, grab these rotors right here and take them over. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, that looks sick.
Yeah. Better than what was on there before. That's
Yeah, I mean, I'm not mad at those other wheels, but this is better. Sorry, I'm gonna make you YouTube famous.
That's okay. I'm not YouTube famous a little bit.
Yeah, that looks so much better. It's better than I even thought it was gonna look. even better the more I drive it. And yeah, it's nice. It's got a good sound. And once it gets moving along, it moves. It's a little slow getting up to speed, but that's because it's geared kind of low. Well, I don't think. I know that's why. But yeah, it's cool. And it looks really nice with the new wheels on it. Kind of fits right in out here in the desert. Yep. Everybody's been digging on it in town today. John at John's Garage, he dug it. He was really into it. We're gonna head out to the dry lake bed this afternoon. I'll do some more videos out there, get some pictures. Yeah. So it's about an hour before sunset, and we're gonna take the K20 out to the dry lake bed right now and kind of see how the sunset looks out there with the truck. So let's go do that, shall we?